Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has designated Microsoft as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.25. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced an increase of 2.06%. This results in an average return of 0.41% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 9.12% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 20.72% to negative 9.12%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 8.72%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 18.70% to 0.0939% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $321.35 and $395.63. Our latest daily update from Microsoft includes the headline, Microsoft stock upgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, Microsoft stock price increased by 0.31%, rising from $394.04 to $395.26. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.18%, ranging from a low of $384.44 to a high of $396.65. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 2.47% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 18 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 32 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $12.71 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $468.35, while the lowest was $344.79. Currently, the price stands at 15.61%, or $73.09, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft's recent earnings report for the third quarter exceeded expectations, delivering a remarkable earnings per share of $3.46, surpassing the consensus estimate of $3.20 and showing a significant year-over-year increase from $2.94. The company reported total revenue of $70 billion and $100 million, which represents a 13% increase and also outperformed analysts' predictions. This strong performance is largely attributed to robust demand in its cloud and artificial intelligence segments, indicating a healthy growth trajectory that is likely to support stock momentum in the coming days. Additionally, Microsoft's chief financial officer highlighted the company's commitment to artificial intelligence agents, reflecting a strategic focus that positions it well amid a wave of technological advancements in artificial intelligence. The positive sentiment was echoed in the market, with stocks related to artificial intelligence and cloud computing rising sharply, suggesting that Microsoft's success can enhance investor confidence in the tech sector overall. In the short term, the stock is likely to experience positive pressure following these results, especially as investors react favorably in the extended trading session. Over the long term, Microsoft's sustained growth in cloud services and strategic investments in artificial intelligence could solidify its competitive edge, making it an appealing option for growth-focused investors. Analysts are watching closely, as ongoing strong performances could further lift Microsoft's valuation and influence overall market trends in technology. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of April 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a grade of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 7th of April 2025, Jefferies reported a grade of buy for Microsoft, also recommending a hold. On Friday, the 28th of March 2025, UBS assigned a grade of reduce to Microsoft, suggesting an upgrade. On Thursday, the 20th of March 2025, Tigris Financial gave Microsoft a grade of buy with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, Thursday, the 20th of March 2025, Wedbush rated Microsoft as outperform, also advising a hold. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a recommendation to sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. The chart today reflects predominantly positive signals. Microsoft stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating an optimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at $385.83 and $381.56. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, in the year 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 11.48%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, a buy signal has also been indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. The volume has been increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger buy signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $390.49. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences moderate movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $12.21 between its high and low, which equates to 3.18%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 2.29%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often found in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $3.20. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels from Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $396.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may serve as a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $390.49. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is buy. let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 15th of April, 2025, Coleman Amy conducted an insider purchase of 10,370 shares of common stock. On the 15th of April, 2025, Coleman Amy conducted an insider sale of 27,944 shares of common stock. On the 19th of March, 2025, Coleman Amy conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, Walmsley Emma N. conducted an insider purchase of 1,245 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of March, 2025, Rodriguez Carlos A. conducted an insider purchase of 859 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 34.46. Overall, insiders purchased 132,346 shares and sold 277,908 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $376.32, reflecting a decrease of 4.79%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators appear positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have updated our analysis of this stock from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of May, we anticipate Microsoft will open lower by $3.14, starting trading at $392.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important that you do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.